Hi everyone. Cyber threats are evolving, and attackers are building sophisticated infrastructures to carry out their attacks. In today's video, we'll break down what threat infrastructure is, how cyber criminals build and use it, and, most importantly, how organizations can detect and mitigate these threats. Let's dive in. What is threat infrastructure? Threat infrastructure refers to the digital and physical systems that cybercriminals use to conduct malicious activities. This includes botnets, command and control, C2, servers, phishing domains, malware distribution networks, and even underground marketplaces where hackers buy and sell attack tools. Types of threat infrastructure. Threat actors use various infrastructures to conduct cyber attacks. Let's go through some of the most common ones. Command and control servers. These servers act as the backbone of malware operations. They allow hackers to control infected devices remotely, launch attacks, and steal data. Phishing and malware distribution networks. Phishing infrastructure is designed to trick users into entering sensitive information. Attackers host fake websites and send phishing emails from compromised domains. Dark web marketplaces. Cybercriminals buy and sell stolen data, malware kits, and attack services on underground forums and dark web marketplaces. Bulletproof hosting services. These are hosting providers that ignore legal takedown requests, allowing cybercriminals to operate without fear of being shut down. Proxy and VPN networks used for anonymity. Attackers use proxy and VPN services to hide their identity, making it harder for security teams to trace their activities. How attackers build and use threat infrastructure. Cybercriminals follow a structured process to set up their attack infrastructure. Let's break it down. Step 1. Acquiring hosting and domains. Attackers purchase domains and use bulletproof hosting services to set up phishing pages or malware servers. Step 2. Deploying malicious tools. They install malware on the infrastructure, including ransomware, spyware, or banking trojans. Step 3. Launching attacks and stealing data. They distribute phishing emails, infect systems, and exfiltrate sensitive data to their hidden servers. Step 4. Monetizing stolen data. The final step is selling stolen credentials, credit card details, or ransomware services. How to detect and mitigate threat infrastructure. Organizations must take proactive steps to identify and mitigate cyber threats. Here's how. Use threat intelligence and monitoring tools. Threat intelligence platforms help detect malicious domains, C2 servers, and botnet activities in real time. Look for indicators of compromise, IOCs. Security teams should monitor IOCs like unusual domain requests, unauthorized file transfers, and communication with known malicious servers. Implement network segmentation and zero trust security. Zero trust ensures that no entity is trusted by default, reducing the attack surface. Regular security audits and penetration testing. Conduct regular pen testing and audits to identify weaknesses before attackers exploit them. Threat infrastructure is the foundation of modern cybercrime. Understanding how attackers operate can help organizations defend against evolving threats. Stay informed, stay secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Secure B4 for more cybersecurity insights.